In today's video, I'll show you how to add staff members in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you're running a team-based business, this helps you manage multiple calendars, assign appointments, and keep everything organized in one place. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Business Settings or Users and Permissions section from the left side menu. This is where you manage your team access. Now, click on the option to Add New User or Invite Staff Member. Next, enter the email address of the staff member you want to add. Acuity will send them an invitation to join your account. After that, choose the permission level for the staff member. For example, you can allow them to view only their own calendar, manage appointments, or access full admin settings, depending on their role. If your staff members need separate schedules, you can assign them individual calendars and availability settings so clients can book them separately. Once everything is set, click Send Invite. The staff member will receive an email invitation. After they accept it, they will be added to your Acuity account and can start managing appointments. You can always go back and edit permissions, remove staff members, or update their access anytime. Before finishing, make sure each staff member's availability is properly set so clients see accurate booking times. And that's it. You've successfully added staff members in Acuity Scheduling and set up a team-based booking system. And that's how you add staff members in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.